I'm going to show you how to create a simple validation rule in Salesforce. So let's open up one account record. So the goal here is every time a user is editing or creating an account record, the account hold reason should be filled in if the value of the account status is set to hold. Alright, so let's go to setup and let's do the validation rule. Click on Object Manager and then select the account object. Scroll down at the very bottom of your screen and then select Validation Rules. Now click on New button. And then in here you can type in the name of the validation rule. So I'm going to put in account hold reason error. So make sure that you activate this validation rule by clicking the checkbox button right here. And you can also put some description. And then let's make the formula. Alright, so we will be using the OR operator, and since account status is a pickless field, we are also going to use this pick val function and is blank for the account hold reason, which is a text field. So for us to meet the business requirements needed, this is the intended formula. And the reason why it is tagged as false, because regardless of the possible field combination that will be entered, this formula will capture it. Now, let's try to click the check syntax to see if there are any errors. So no errors found, so this is good to go. Now let's put in the error message. Please enter account hold reset. Alright, so you will have an option if you would like to display this error message at the top of your page, or you can also put it at the top of your field or the custom field. So now let's click on save, and then let's go back to the account record. So as you can see, the account status here is set to hold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this record and then I'm gonna try to save it again. Let's see if it will get the error message. Alright, so as you notice, we are unable to edit this record, or we are unable to modify this record because of our validation rule. So that is how we create a simple validation rule in Salesforce.